This tiny bowl from the sea can cost more than an entire day of fishing. In Khánh Hòa, bird's nest is more than food. It is a treasure shaped by the sea and generations of fishermen.
Authentic yin sao Nha Trang comes from swiftlet nests harvested carefully from natural sea caves along the Khánh Hòa coast.
The nest is cleaned by hand, slowly double steamed, then lightly sweetened with rock sugar to preserve its delicate texture. It feels soft, silky, and surprisingly light, not rich like dessert, but elegant and calming.
For centuries, stir-fried beans have been considered a delicacy in Vietnam, a symbol of health, respect, and prosperity.
What makes Nha Trang bird's nest special is the natural sea cave environment, giving the nest cleaner strands and a lighter aroma.
This is our heritage, pure from the sea.
If you ever visit Nha Trang, don't just look at the ocean, taste the treasure hidden inside it.